Hello, I'm Leo. I am in 3rd grade and 8 years old. In this channel, I'll give you videos about camping, hiking, soccer, swimming, traveling, and more. Today, I'm going to show you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. You need to find the yellow middle, and then you need to find the sides to make it a daisy. My daisy is right here. And then you need to match these sides. If it's matched, you can take it down. And then you keep matching it until it's all full and you have it on the bottom. And then you have a white cross on the bottom. To solve the corners, you need to find the one that's right here. And then you need to move it to the two colors that it's in. So it's blue and red. So you need to find blue and red. Blue and red is right there. Since it's on the left side, you need to do up, left, right, down, and back. That one is solved right there. And then you keep doing it until all the corners are solved. And then my white is solved. And then to solve these corners, you need to find green and orange, green and orange, green and orange. And then you need to move it to left, up, left, down, right, and then up, left, down, and back. You keep doing that until all the corners are solved. Last one. Now I have a white solved and 2 layers solved. Now I need to solve the daisy on top. So if it's straight, you need to put it like this. And then you need to go like this, and then up, left, down, right, and then down. And you have this solved, and this. Now, you need to solve these, this, and this. You need to find the 2 that are solved. My 2 that are solved are right here, so I put it across. And then you do up, left, down, left, up, right, right, down, and back. And then you need to find the 2 that are matched. My 2 that are matched are right here. And then you put that on the right top corner. Now to solve this, you need to go up, right, left, up, left, down, right, and bottom. And now this and that are solved, and you need to go up, up, same thing. Okay, all of them are solved. This, this, and this. And now you have to find a corner that is matched. This and this are not matched. This and this are not matched. This and this are not matched. But this and this are matched. So you need to put that on the bottom left corner. And then you go up, left, up, left, down, right, and bottom. And turn it. And now you have this, and that's the correct corner because it has blue and red and yellow. Blue, red, and yellow. This one is also correct because red, green, and yellow. Green, orange, and yellow. So now you have to turn it upside down And then the ones that are not matched like this, you put it on the right bottom corner. Then you go up, left, down, and back, and keep going until it is solved right here. And you keep doing it. And you keep doing it. And now you just have to match it and it's solved. Now you're gonna see how fast I can solve it.
The regular people can solve it in an average of 3 minutes, and world champions, the world record is 3 seconds.
That's amazing how they can solve the whole thing in 3 seconds. Here, break it. My record is 58 seconds, and let's see if I can beat it. Oh my God, that's slow. Done.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.